In this example of a LP12 installation, we are using a concrete ceiling.
This method applies to any ceiling type.
In all cases, 3/8-inch threaded rod is used to support the system.
How you attach the threaded rod depends on your construction situation. The LP12 weighs about 65 pounds.
Having 2 people lift it into place is recommended. Using a sheetrock lift makes it very easy. This is an example of an industrial ceiling installation. We are attaching the 3/8-inch threaded rod to uni-strut. This is an example of installing the LP12 against a drop ceiling.
You would remove the ceiling tiles to do the work. Attach the threaded rod to the ceiling above the drop ceiling. This example shows the LP12 installed against a sheetrock ceiling. The installer would locate the ceiling joists and attach uni-strut to the ceiling. Then attach 3/8-inch threaded rod with strut nuts. The LP12 can be attached to the threaded rod from the light openings on the bottom.
This will be shown in a later slide.
Now we will continue the installation using the concrete ceiling as our example. The first thing you need to do is identify where the stylist's chair is going to be. The center of the LP12 will be installed directly over the client's head when seated in the chair.
Mark the center line on the ceiling or the floor. These are the measurements you will need to attach 4 3/8-inch threaded rod.
From the center line, measure 24 inches forward and back. Then mark 15 inches on either side. These are where you will attach the threaded rod. Your free stylists were made for a predetermined installation height.
This height is from the finished floor to the bottom of the LP12.
The bottom of the threaded rod should be your installation height plus 2 3/4 of an inch. For added rigidity, you can sandwich a piece of 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe between the mounting plate and the square washer provided. When tightened down, it will reduce possible sway of the LP12. Attach mounting plates to ceiling. Attach threaded rod. This shows how it will look attached. The LP12 was left out for clarity.
This is a cutaway view. The PVC pipe was split in half to show detail of the inside. This shows the LP12 installed. It is now ready to have the freestylist place into it. The freestylist is placed in from the top or the light openings on the bottom. The roller cord guide keeps everything aligned. No screws are needed. Use a standard dedicated 15 or 20 amp circuit for each freestylist. You can now place your 2 light fixtures in from the top or at an angle through the bottom. Wire with a standard lighting circuit.
Connect the hairdryer and you are all set.